The time is now. I don't know who needs to hear this, but somebody definitely does. The industry needs your artistry, your humanity. If you're even remotely thinking about acting, or if it's been on your mind for years, just do it. Maybe you've been thinking about it for a while and don't know where to start, but you can do it. You can, and here's why. Happy Thursday, honey bunch. We are 1 month through 2023. That's insane. Time is flying by so quickly. Oh my God. Let's check in with one another. How are the commitments going that you made to yourself? Now is your chance to hold yourself accountable and gently guide your focus back to what you want to accomplish. If you're new here, my name is Nico Austin Smith and I'm a successful actress here in Los Angeles. You may have seen me here, and if so, leave a comment. I'm here to help you on your acting journey by sharing all of the advice and lessons and tips that I've learned thus far in my career. Advice, lessons, and tips that other YouTubers don't really go into a deep dive about. So if all of that sounds good to you, let's continue on this journey together. This industry needs your artistry, your humanity, your unique human experience. The industry may not know that it needs it yet, but it desperately does. We all have unique perspectives and experiences that contribute to our unique human experiences that can be reflected on screen. So what do you want to say? Maybe you're not sure where to start, and that's fine. I can help you. I've got over 80 videos as of right now about acting and about where to start, as well as a playlist titled New to Acting? Start here. Maybe you don't know who you are exactly or what you want to say. That's fine too. You can free journal for 5 minutes a day and just let your subconscious flow. You can make a list of your favorite movies, TV shows, actors, actresses, and why you love them so much. You can discover your acting brand. All of these exercises will help you to find clarity in the stories that you want to tell. Maybe you feel that the industry is closing its doors to you, or maybe it has in the past a lot, and you're tired of being rejected, but you'll truly never know until you keep going. Keep going. Don't you dare give up. Maybe you feel like you're too old or too mature or past your prime. Honey bunch, the industry needs your mature perspective. There's tons of stories that need to be told. Tiffany Haddish, Ken Jeong, Julia Childs, Octavia Spencer, Lucille Ball, Alan Rickman, Samuel L. Jackson, Melissa McCarthy, Jeremy Renner, Steve Carell, Jane Lynch, Liam Neeson. All of these actors got their start or their breakout role much later in life, and they are all A-list celebrities, all with different backgrounds and experiences that brings out their unique artistic perspective. Just imagine what you could do. All you need to do right now is figure out your why. Why do you want to be an actor? Why do you want to tell stories? Is it to have a human connection that you maybe didn't get as a child? Is it because you love to be in other people's shoes and you played dress up as a kid? Is it pure fun and bliss for you? Is it something that you can live and breathe and that you need to feel fulfilled in life? Because if you want to do this truly, you're gonna need to love it, and you're gonna need to have a passion for it through all the highs and lows. You're gonna need to know who you are and also what you want to say. You got this. Thank you all so much for tuning in to this pep talk. I hope that it's brought you some confidence to carry out through 2023. As always, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. You can reach out to me on social media, and I do have my Amazon storefront that was requested by a good amount of people, so it's linked down below for all of the recommendations that I recommend in an acting career and beyond. I'll see you all in a new video Thursday after next. Bye.